Very good morning, students. In last class, we have learnt minerals, right? Minerals are our natural resources. In that, there will be a two types of minerals: metallic minerals and non-metallic minerals. In last class, we learnt about metallic minerals, right? Students, in this class, I am going to teach you non-metallic minerals. Okay. Students, do you know what are non-metallic minerals? Coal and petroleum are valuable non-metallic minerals. These non-metallic minerals are dug out of earth from deep underground mines and wells. Students, let us learn more about non-metallic minerals. Students, first we are going to know coal. Okay, coal is a non-metallic mineral. Students, all of you see here, this is coal. Okay, ಕೋಲ್ನ ನಾವು ಕಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಲು ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೇವೆ. Okay, students, do you know how this coal is formed? Long ago, earth was covered with swampy forest. Okay, swampy dense forest. Dead plants fell into swamps and started decay. Over millions of years, they were covered by sediments and new plants. Intense heat and pressure caused the decayed plant to convert into coal. Okay. Over the long ago years, earth was covered with swampy forest. Okay. Like this. Dead plants are okay fell into swamps. Okay. All of you see here. These are all swamps. Okay, and started decay. Over millions of years, they were covered by sediments and new plants. Intense heat and pressure. Okay, intense heat and pressure on caused decayed plants to convert into coal. Okay, there will be a four types of coals mainly. Okay, peat, lignite, bituminous, and anthracite are four types of coals. Students, all of you see here, this is peat coal. This is lignite coal, bituminous coal. This is anthracite coal. Anthracite is the best quality of coal among peat, lignite, bituminous. Students, this coal is mined from coal fields. Okay, all of you see here, these are the pictures of some coal fields. Okay, in India, Raniganj in West Bengal is the oldest coal field, while Jaria in Jharkhand is the largest coal field in India. Bokaro in Jharkhand, Singrauli in Madhya Pradesh, Talcher in Odisha, Singareni in Telangana, Korba in Chhattisgarh are other major coal fields in India. Coal produces heat when burned. Okay, it is a major source of fuel throughout the world. The major uses of coal are to powering steam engines, to heating homes, and in cooking food. Coal is also used in the electricity generation in thermal plants. Coal is also used as a fuel in steel and cement industries. However, burning coal pollutes the environment. So, it is slowly being replaced with other environment friendly fuels like electric engines and all. Okay. Students, in this class we have learnt non-metallic mineral coal, about coal and it uses, right? If you have any doubts, ask in online session. All of you should follow given worksheet. Thank you.